Anna, stop crying. Stop crying.
We love you. I'm so proud of you. I'm like super proud.
It's zoomed in because I don't know the settings of my phone. I don't know.
You know, I have a message for you, but I'll say it later. I don't want to miss you, okay?
We're so nervous.
I'm having a panic attack.
I can't see you.
Is it a Mexico hat? She's right after her.
Christina, we know where you are based on this Mexico hat. So glad you sat next to this girl.
Stand up. Should we just scream?
Yeah.
We should just scream? No, we're gonna say that.
Because you're not going to be able to hear us laugh that loud.
That's true, we're not that loud. We'll just scream. I'm so emotional. I am still recording you.
I love you, Christina. You'll do big things.
I'm so proud of you.
Record us? Oh, yeah.
Who do you want to be, grandma or grandpa?
I'm grandma. Okay.
Christina, I'm so proud. I didn't think I'd make it. I'm a little frail. Your grandma's gonna carry me home.
A lot of mochi balls.
I'm just so proud of you. I really am. Nailed it. We love you, Christy. I can't handle this right now. Okay, say